Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to change team name on FPL app and website. So first up here, open up your FPL app on your mobile device. Now here at the bottom, you'll find fantasy section. So tap on that. And once you tap on fantasy section, then you just need to wait for a few seconds here. So until it's done downloading or uploading some information. Then at the bottom, you just have to tap on Help and Rules right here at the bottom right. And under the Help and Rules, you'll find some option here. So basically, you just have to choose this Managing Your Team and go to How do I change my team name, my team kit, or the team I support? So as you can see, you can change this information on the team details page. So when you tap on the team details, you'll be directly go here where you need to sign in your email and password. Now on the other side, if you're using website, you just need to go to fantasy.premierleague.com and sign in your account and then go to more section and then tap on help. So this will be the page here where you can go to manage your team and again tap on how do I change my team name and again tap on team details. So once you tap on team details here, you'll find your current team name and you can also customize it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.